Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar, going to teach you first semester FI BCBI, FI BMS, FI CS, the common topic measures of central tendency. What is measures of central tendency? The central tendency is stated as the statistical measure that represents the single value of the entire distribution or a data state. It aims to provide an accurate distribution of the entire data in the distribution. The central tendency of the data set can be found out using three methods: mean, median and mode. So whatever data we have collected from individual and formed into a frequency distribution, we are going to calculate mean, median, mode, which is the measurement of the data. That is, finding the measurement of the data is called measures of central tendency. In this we are going to see first method, mean, or another name, average. In this measures of central tendency, for finding the mean, we are having three types of data, that is simple data, discrete data and group data. Similarly, for mode, using for the same type of data, we can find mode and median. Last, there is combined mean also. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate mean for simple data, discrete data and group data. First, what is the formula for mean? What is the notation for mean? X bar. For raw data or simple data, the formula is x bar equal to summation x upon n. That is, summation x is adding all the observation, that is sum of all the observation upon total number of observation. For example, the simple data is given as 10, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 15, 21, 17, 11, 10, 9, 6, 0 and 13. The number of data given are 15. So we are adding total number of data is 10 plus 13 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 15 plus 21 plus 17 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0 plus 13. The answer is 193. Using the formula of mean, x bar equal to summation x upon n, we are getting the answer 12.86. We can see another example. Find the mean salary of 10 workers whose salary are 2,000, 5,000, 7,000, 4,000, 8,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 9,000 and 5,000. The data given is 10 salary of the workers. So adding this all value, we are getting 61,000. Using the formula of mean, x bar equal to sum of the observation upon total number of observation is 61,000 upon 10. The answer is rupees 6,100. Another example is Mr. Ram, a milkman, supplies milk to his customers as follows: 30, 40, 55, 34, 43, 70 and 65. Find his daily average of milk supply by using arithmetic mean. Same, this is raw data or simple data. The formula is arithmetic mean equal to sum of the observation upon total number of observation. That is, that sum is 337, the observation is 7. Dividing this, we are getting 48.14. Next, for discrete data, the formula is arithmetic mean x bar equal to summation x f upon n. N is total frequency. Example for discrete data is first problem, find the mean of the following data. Here this is discrete data because the x value is given as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. F value is 4, 6, 7, 8, 5. So the formula is arithmetic mean equal to summation fx upon summation f. So we want to calculate fx multiplying every x and f, that is 10 into 4 40, 20 into 6 120, 30 into 7 210, 40 into 8 320, 50 into 5 250. The answer is 940. Total frequency is 30. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5. So arithmetic mean formula x bar equal to summation fx upon summation f. The answer is 31.33. Next, find the mean of the following data. X and f are given as 20, 12, 40, 15, 60, 18, 80, 14, 110. Total frequency is 69. Xf is multiplying 20 into 12, 240, 40 into 15, 600, 60 into 18, 1080, 80 into 14, 1120, 100 into 10,000. Answer is 4040. Arithmetic mean x bar equal to summation fx upon summation f. That is 4040 upon 69, 58.55 is the answer. Then for grouped data, the formula is arithmetic mean equal to x bar equal to summation fx upon summation f. So the arithmetic mean for the grouped data, first how we find the grouped data? The class given are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. It was given in the range or group. So this is group data. The formula is same, x bar equal to summation fx upon summation f. Frequency given are 56874. Now we want to find the mid value of the class interval. 0 to 10, the mid value is 5. We can use the formula also. Adding this 0 plus 10 upon 2, we will get the middle value or mid value. 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 upon 2, that is 30 upon 2, middle value is 15. Like that, if we are calculating, we are getting the middle value as 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Now we got x and frequency already given. Multiplying this, we are getting the fx value as 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 15, 90, 8 into 25, 200, 7 into 35, 245, 4 into 45, 180. Adding this all fx, we are getting the answer 740. Adding frequency, we are getting 30. The arithmetic mean equal to summation fx upon summation f, that is 740 upon 3, that is the answer 24.66. Similarly, we are calculating this arithmetic mean problem. Class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Frequency given as 25436. Adding frequency, we are getting answer 20. X value is middle value, that is 0 to 20, middle value 10, 20 to 40, 30, 40 to 60, 50. We can use the formula also. 60 plus 80 is 140 divided by 2, 70. So after this, we are calculating fx. 2 into 10, 20. 5 into 30, 150, 4 into 50, 200, 3 into 70, 210, 6 into 90, 540. Total is 1120. The arithmetic mean formula is x bar equal to summation fx upon summation f, that is 1120 upon 20. Answer is 56. Till now we have seen how to calculate the measure of central tendency of the data using the formula mean. Thank you.